You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report again, representing for you. You know what I mean? I'm going to tell you, say, me represent for you. You know what I mean? Me, I try to do my thing and make sure it's everything copacetic in such a way where I like what I go on. And if I don't feel so, I can look better upon certain things. Comment, man. Tell me what I go on, because as I always say, I'm a work in progress, yes. Hey, so this one is called Babyfather Drama Episode 1 and 2. May I put it in a one place so you can have it? Because you know what I mean? I want to do episode 3, but a little bit of technical difficulties and all them something. So me I left it. You know what I mean? And me I make no know, say boy, make a jump on something new. Hey, where will I go? We're not gonna love it, man. Trust me. Because I try, touch one different topic and all them something and rate it. And just as I said, like it, share it, comment, and push it to a different dimension. You know what I mean? And thanks to everybody that has been supporting Public Report, the whole movement. You know what I mean? Under Richard Brown Films umbrella. You know the thing go big up Puppy Dan coloring book. You know what I mean? Big up down a Jamie Auto, because we have to big them up just the same way. You know what I mean? Because love is the word and we're family. You know what I mean? And I just so you go, right? So watch it, you know what I mean? And yeah, do the right thing. Oh!
You subscribe yet?
Forgive me, I may have said a few things that didn't sound proper. Forgive me, I may have done a few things that shouldn't really matter. Don't blame it on the music, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night. Forgive me, I may have had a few drinks that goes through my head. Forgive me, you know those little things can leave a man insane. I declare my innocence, blame it on a terrible dream I had last night.
Hi, Kwan. Come give me a hug.
Teacher gone? How about that? Alright. See, mommy, how about mommy?
Oh. So, go on your daddy then. Go on your daddy.
So, you still want to stay with grandma?
Yeah.
Want to go to grandma?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Give me lunch in. Give me bag.
Give me lunch, bro. So, how was school today?
Alright.
It was alright? No, that's mercy. Alright, come on. So, you get stickers? How much stickers you got?
One.
You got one sticker?
Yes.
So, you do good at school, man.
Bongo! Bongo!
Oi.
Come here, man. Come here. I mean, I understand this. How will you look Rasta man there?
Aleko.
Bongo!
Babe, so make you go answer.
Me not understand this, you know.
We don't understand.
This now go work between me and you.
How was it day? Not even hug, not even, you can't on the road. At this year still you go do? $10,000. $10,000 and you a puff you gonna do.
I'm here, I worry about.
Me not worry about you, me worry about the money you tell me
I'm
you trick me.
here, you worry about.
I'm not here, Mama Sita. It's just the fact say you trick me with the money and you tell me say what? At 10,000 you want for the year, you gonna do here.
Yeah, Mama Sita. I want some Papa Sita lick, but Mama Sita.
So what? So make you call me in the kitchen, what?
Anyways, to be honest, it's not gonna work between me and you.
Already, man.
You see the drama lifestyle you depend, me don't depend it.
What mean depend?
Listen to me, you see, I go want you to left and right and so.
No, sir, it's not coming like a joke. Left and right is like, yes, sir. Me go in the room. Yeah, come here, go in the room. Come here, go in the. Boy, you just stubborn to
if
beef,
you
boy.
touch me again,
What mean touch you again?
you want uppercut.
What make you keep on bring them something to me? Yo, yeah.
Listen
Every
to
time
me.
you come here, you have problem with something where you find out that you have to calm your mind and relax your mind, you know. Your mind needs to be at ease. Eh? What you do with that?
Listen to me, Bongo. You see, all the way you do me don't deserve it. All my friends tell me say me deserve better.
Which friend that? That short girl, eh?
Hey, don't do that.
A short girl,
Short one. Short one.
No, I say it, I'm not say it because you're going to vex me.
No, you have to say it.
No, I'm not say it now. Let me alone. Ugly girl, let me say. You're short, ugly girl.
You take a look for yourself before you
When
call
me
me
say
friend
take a look,
ugly.
hey,
You're ugly, so
listen me I
me
say.
could have never favor you.
When me say people could never feel me, where you come with now? Eh?
You hear me I say? Me tired of this now. Me not deserve this wagwan.
You're fine, man. You're fine, man.
Which man you talk about?
Me check your phone.
Me go in your phone and me see woman and send you naked picture and you send them fear parts. And that me come about.
So it's just like porn. It's not like me and them involved.
What?
It's just like watching porn.
What you said to me?
So
what you said to me?
Yeah, it's nothing. It's not nothing. It's what? Me no meet them. Me no see them. So it make it sound like say a problem if me have some people who are, you know, who we share that kind of moment with. Nobody no perfect. That's my fault. Right now, I need some loving. Where you
go? Go on where you go. Go on. Me have free my mind. Go on where you go.
It means go on. Me not go nowhere. Alright, listen me I say. What do you think can fix all of this? Me give you 20,000 now. What you say?
Oh, I love money but not so.
When you say love money not so?
Me love money but not so. 20,000? You're sick, man. What 20,000 can do?
25.
No.
30. Can't pay rent if me say 40. What you say?
We're done. It's over.
Every time you say it's over. So
go,
this time,
it's over.
So this time you feel say real? Alright, give me till tomorrow then. Yeah?
Alright, sir. It's alright. It's alright. Remember what I'm finding your phone.
Pinky.
Oi!
Wagahan.
Come in, Miguel.
Ano yan do?
Let's step on your phone. Where you going with?
Hindi sa mga kong link, you know?
Girl. I'm stressed out. Me not understand dirty bongo him. Me not understand why him a do me this, girl. You know I'm find a bongo phone?
Where you find na bongo phone?
Naked picture. The girl send him one naked picture and him send back film parts.
Yeah.
And how him a tell the girl about me dying for everything going with me and you.
You're too lying.
What's so like, girl?
You know, listen, your bongo not gonna work out none at all. Because bongo is a dog, is a cheater. No matter how much chance you give him, he will go back out there to different woman again. And so you left this one where you find out with, and so you go to somebody else. And you have to know where you want still, you know. But I tell you what to do. And you need to do what you have to do.
I'm have to go. Him have to go left the yard there. Him have to left this yard there.
So where him there now?
And me bring the baby, you know. And me bring my son, you know.
I'm glad I know say you bring him.
For 5 years now in the land and me bring him.
Mm-hmm.
So if he ever take it to court, he might lose. And me are the woman in this.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And you have to take care of pitney and stuff. Why, sister girl? To tell her the truth, it's rough. So, how you finding your phone?
Alright. The little drunk cross deep.
Mm-hmm.
I'm using finger. Hey. Fingerprint.
I can't believe this.
And
So
you
you
see,
really have them the message then?
watch he eat that now. When me lift up your finger, kind of sleep, you know. Watch him now. Like him at turn. Me just take time go so.
Yeah.
And go in the bathroom with the phone. Girl, when me see him nearly drop down.
No, you have to go down today.
Body come down nearly take me same time. Me not tell no lie, my friend.
No, you have to go down. Make him go on, man. Make him go on. If you are not to give baby, make him carry come. Or meet him out the road and take it from him. But, it not gonna work out. Every day I'm left, you know. Every day I'm left on the gamba.
Yeah, but me serious now. For you see me right, that's I'm the talk about this. I can see I'm very serious right now.
Well,
Me serious.
you got to do what
Right
you
now,
got to do.
my son gone to school, you know.
You know, so I'm going to school, you're not going to there. But it's rough. He need to change. Well, the same, a man like him can't change.
Anyways, enough boy him.
Mm-hmm.
I just get sad every time I talk about him. What going for you and for your man?
We're good, you know. You know, so we're alright. We're normal, free.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
But,
Anyways, do
but I forgot to talk to him to talk to his friend. Can remember say to one of my friends, you know.
talk to who? No. Don't tell him to talk to him.
Make it on.
Make it stay.
Alright.
Because when he left this house, yeah, I know God go send one good man in my life.
True.
Oh.
God always make a
So
way.
make him stay. A cheater will always be a
cheater.
okay. Yes.
Anyway, you know, I don't offer drink. I'm kind of thirsty and the sun hot. You know, long, you know, far me I walk from.
Orange juice in the fridge.
So nothing there to eat.
So nothing there for you to go and go up on the road.
Well, so where him there?
I don't know where dog gone.
Boy, rough. Anyway, I'm going to the kitchen for something.
I hope you not take my car and go with it. Because I feel him one day already. And he love take all my things and go with it and go with the two key them. Tell me what can go so?
But you know why you go nowhere? Kind of insecure. Kind of know what him a do. Anyway, I'm never want to over your yard. I go over my yard later.
Alright, we link.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm there wait for you? You know what I'm there wait
Where you do so?
You mean so when me are there so?
What the backside you do so?
What you mean so me are there so?
Eh?
After you put me in the mood there.
Which mood?
When you keep a picture them me send to you and you turn me on and there's something there so you feel like.
No, listen, I want just pleasure. It's like you watch a porn. Like you watch one adult something. That is it. You can't come to me yard. Where you come to me yard come to now?
All the missing thing there, if you all my sitting here, you want me go up there and tell the baby
No,
mother.
listen, you cannot do that. Why you would want to do that now?
After you put me there in my mood yeah, and me come and look for you. No, you give me a yard, give me a yard.
Relax now, relax now. Alright, you are going. Which place you live? Same place?
Yes.
Which part that again?
Down the road.
Down the road. Alright, just go down the road. Me soon come. Give me about half an hour or something.
You chick me, you know?
Me not chick
Because you
you.
love chick people.
Me not chick you. Just go on the man on top and...
You know, so me feel like no move because me know you stay.
What
You
you
love
know?
chick people.
I don't trick me, I trick him. Alright, you are. Alright, since you want to confirm, tomorrow we organize. Me you text you though.
See, same
Don't
thing
call
again.
me. Me will call you. Yeah?
See, same thing
And
again
no
me I
matter-
tell you about.
Same thing like what? We are talk about tomorrow, man.
Make sure, you know,
Yes.
me I wait.
We talk. Here? Go on, man. Go on down, man. And don't come back down here.
Make sure say you call me, no. Oh.
I'll call you. Where you the from?
Babe, wait till there.
Yeah, come there, babes. Here you go, sweetheart.
Thank you.
Dear, me hear your cough.
It's something that choke me.
I feel better.
But alright.
You sure?
Yeah, but I want to talk to you now.
What happened?
You see your friend Bongo?
Yeah.
I don't know what happened to him.
What do you mean what I'm doing?
Every time Pinky find woman picture in her phone, he must send back picture to woman, different day. Every day them break up. I don't understand a friend.
Yeah, I'm Pinky at chatting into that.
Yeah.
So you hear Bongo side of the story? Because you have to remember, you know, babes, every story have three sides, you know. For them side, the other side, and the truth. So maybe we should just tell her how fair side look.
So we are trying to say Pinky tell lie on Bongo?
No, me not say nothing like that, but me I say maybe there's more to the story. But
Then that's why me come and talk to you for you go find out the next side of the story. If you come back and tell me, I will put one and two together to find out what really are going on. You understand what I say?
I understand what you say. So Pinky feel about all of this, sir?
Me don't Pinky say done this time.
That he must say from when? How we not sure saying done this at time?
I don't know. That's what she said.
You believe her?
Yes, me believe her. I'm a friend. So anything she said goes.
Alright. I chat to Bonga, man. You can't do something like I think you're a nice girl too, you know.
Of course, my friend a nice girl. I played my girl feelings.
Good saying that. Don't go to treat a woman like how me treat you. I make breakfast for you, rub your foot, knock your back on your calf. I just laugh and can't talk, but I chat to him still.
Alright, do the right thing, man.
Alright, me wash up the plate then, yeah?
Yeah, go and get it. Thanks for the breakfast.
Alright, no problem. You finish?
No, no.
Alright, me wash up the plate then.
Yeah.
Hi, bro.
Where go on there?
Why pray? Me can't come in.
What you mean say you can't come in forward, man? Where you going with?
Once I'm there, I just stop by and I'll check up on you, my bro.
For real, man. You know, say I vibe. So,
Yeah, everything good.
so far, so good. But, alright, you see, really and truly, I never me scratch a vehicle. You understand? So, I know you understand the things I mean.
Bro, low that alone. I that me come about differently.
You sure? Alright, so what go on?
You know what I'm saying? I mean, my lady did talk to mine, bro, and she tell me say she feel lady have a reason. I mean, I get to find out something have some type of disagreement. I mean, you know, me just want to know how it go. You know, cause me like talk to you. Me know say I good youth, you know.
Alright, you are going on. Me not go around the corner. Feel lady not like me, you know. She not like me. She call me ugly already, say me ugly.
No.
And I'm something here, she had diss me.
No,
Hear that?
uncle, she say, I hear never hear good. Can I respect you and her uncle, you say you never say ugly.
But then again, me I say to myself, say, for me woman now I try to show me up in one way if it's a boy, you know, because she finds something on my phone. Yes, me wrong for that, but
You know, so
me not like me I link up with woman them. Me not see them. Me not link up with woman them and you know vibe what I go on with female woman now. Me just don't like it, bro.
Alright, watch out, me not cut you, you know, but you know see you wrong. You see you wrong and you know see you wrong. I mean, me not tell you lie now. Whole heap of woman go through, you know, cause you can't like me back in my day, you know. Me know say you do your thing, you know. Even if she not approve, you know, you have enough. And right now, I feel like this all continue happen. Right now, where you on in the cusp about?
Photo,
Photo.
woman, well, me not link up yet.
Yes.
But
Bro, you can't live your life, man, bro. You can't do that. You can't do that, man. See, they don't have youth raise and something there. You can't have you them see you bring in one, or if they not directly see. Yeah, your
No,
woman post
man, from
every
the
day.
son now that's that, man. But hear me, I say still. See?
Yes.
It's the base man how female man she just all over the place and just a create vibe where it's not necessary. I mean I still say so why she do that. But fear woman, my brother, I don't like when she just don't like me, bro.
No,
Every
man.
time, everything she talk about is the negative. And me can brother, me say which day that me I go down the road. And me feel my ears as a ring. And me I say hello, cause you just understand what I'm going on. Don't reach up at the yard. See me woman say they up there I talk about the fact that me is a dirty man and rate. And even you, see me woman when I try to say, boy, I wonder if you are the same thing. I mean, I say, no, you is not the same thing.
So you don't know that, man.
Brother, yo, right now I don't know what to do, you know. Because she had to left me house. Left the house because the whole drama with the whole facts and she find out thing that she can't take it no more.
I know I might be able to left your house to show.
Left
No,
what?
hold on, let me explain. Cause when you look on you know, but see she got on with the them, you know, and bro, the cussing no look good. Cussing no look, yeah man, you know. Bro, you fight like a man, you know, you can't survive out this, you know. You know say real cold, but you can't do it, you know.
You know how much money I spend on this bump and scout place, yeah? I mean, you bungo, you know. Me bungo my money and buy this. Me bungo my money and... Wait, you say me
You
do?
can't make it back. If you spend 10 mil on the fridge, you can't make 20. Me know you can't do it.
Oh, I the bungo thing. Hey, what you say to me, sir?
You listen to me, I say, you bet you come out, I was to show you, like, cussing no look good. Or if you don't want to come out one time, you can't take time and come out. Or take with something now. You know, but come out of your house to show man, you know look good. Rent one look a place, take some time for yourself.
Yeah, you say it again, rent and money, more money, you know.
But you're a fighter. Any money you spend, you can't make it back. You can't make it back more too.
So you say, left the place and gear.
You know, look, you know, look good, man. You know, you put them in ropes. So. I say, me now, you get in here, show me a couple of ropes and so. Me as a virgin must can chat to you and say, yo, do it right.
Me I left the place.
I promise.
But not today.
When?
Tomorrow also. Or maybe weekend.
Maybe weekend or tomorrow. You need to leave the place. Not even now, but right now.
No.
Right now. Start back now.
No, tomorrow. I'm better hurt me for go back. Yeah, tomorrow.
Sure.
Yo, your respect.
What do you say about scratch car?
No man, everything good man. I just scratch car. There's some car that will scratch off and we are try win some lot of car.
Money.
No.
Win money I can.
Yeah, man. Yeah, respect. Yes, sir. You know, I give us a week or 2 or 3. That's it turn out.
Yeah, girl. I tell about dirty bongo. Me sick and tired of them, girl. Me tired of them dirty behavior them. Him don't even have use. Him something even not stand up like Pinocchio nose. Nonsense.
Why? Me hate him naturally. He ugly. I don't know. I hate
Look here, me a your friend, but nobody gonna go about Babyfather ugly. Not do that.
I show your Babyfather ugly be true, you know?
Sophia man nice.
Of course.
When me and in the pan bad terms, don't tell me about Babyfather ugly. Oh, I'm me alone if you do that.
Anyway, what about he guy will ride the bike? We are looking for a long time. What happened to him? I'm gonna give him a chance in your life.
Oh, that's a puppy then.
Yes. Give me a thought. What's my name?
Yeah, you know, so me I think about it though. Me I think about it.
Give boy a chance, man. A long time I'm looking and I just know.
I'm not lie. But truly one in my life within dramas. And right now me can't take in drama. God know, it just a drain me. And when he
What
come
you like
in,
to play
he
that
just
man?
want soccer my body at night time. And that can't work. He never have use. You come in want call soccer my body and that can't work. Tell me what can go so? Eh?
Oh,
When me want
Jesus.
it, me can't get it.
Hey, on phone
And
life
when
are
him in
really
the mood,
drama,
me
you
no
know?
want it, eh?
Phone life are really drama.
Oh.
Big drama.
Mm. Anyways, me I consider about the youth they do, you know.
Yeah, man, I right thing, man.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, babe, I want to talk to you.
Me soon talk to her.
I'm gonna talk to your piece of broke down, man.
Girls, get up and speak and yeah. Girl, I still did it later.
I'm smoking in the room. Hmm?
You
I
see
ask
me
you
a
a question
smoke.
if I smoke, you smoke in
You
the
see me
room.
a smoke. How your problem? How your problem? You not start pocket.
I see your bossy. I see your bossy and brave. Put on a lipstick like it, like. I really plan to go with your friend, not true? Because I know how he and she when I talk.
That no concern you.
That not concern me, not true?
That no concern you.
I'm going to leave your place. And
When
leave
they are
you.
send woman picture, you know say concern me.
You're going back this again. You know, hear me say all again? Because you just a chat. And that I feel problem with chattings. I'm going to leave your place and give you.
Yeah, let's
Yes.
come here help your pack. Where back
No,
then?
man, you have to help me pack. Me good. Me can pack myself in the handicap.
Hey,
Sure,
thank you God. Yeah, listen to me prayer. Go on, no. Go
I have
on.
one permanent smile on your face. Thank you, guys.
Because me happy, me supposed to happy. Me supposed to have one smile on my face.
So you're happy because your baby father left this
Yeah.
house. You're happy to break up your home. Your happy home.
Yes, after John gonna jaw breaks in my face. You know, see me alright. When you gone, one next one ban. So what is the problem? You think when I gone, me go sit down and stress and say, oh, Babyfather, come back. Fastest me put you through your door. Bo. So this is coming every time I say, yeah, go away.
You're happy, man.
Thank you, God. Thank you, Jesus. Answer to me prayer. Thank you, God.
If you look, it's me that abusive person. Because right now, I just things me I think about for you. And that me I tell you right now. Me just don't want to move right
No,
now.
lick me bongo, lick me.
Me never say me a lick
Lick
you.
me bongo.
Me never say me a lick you. But me say me I think about things in my head. Why that I first thing come to your
Me say
brain?
bongo, lick me bongo, lick me. Lick me. See me face, yeah. Come. Box me in my face.
I kiss me, kiss you.
Eh.
Nah,
You
kiss
should
you
have
though.
make your mouth reach for my jaw while ago. You saw me do you.
Me know that I kiss. Because I can't bother no crab. Me whole of my body crab like a puss me there with. Me can't bother with that. You just bringle. Me name bongo in name bringle. No, that's what, yo, I me say, I'm going to leave the place and give you. So you can do what you do, but know how certain things are going to work out. You understand? I not send no money come here. So you better know, say, upon them terms, I not give you nothing.
What you say?
Miss.
What you say? You not saying walk. I come like a joke.
Where you grab me? Where you grab me
You realize
for?
how me a smile
Yeah, but where you
so
grab
you
me
come
for?
in.
So where you go so
You think so this a smile when me I do? As some we play around.
Me I tell you, say, if you cut off everything from me, understand me, I cut off everything from you. You have to start over, you know.
You know say you're mad.
Everything.
You know say you're mad.
Eh?
What you mean by when you're gone? You not saying nothing come.
Me not say nothing come, that me I tell you.
So.
Me done with you, me cut you off like you're like a D-O-E, no, D-E-A, no, dead.
So what go happen to Kwan?
Me no know what happened to him. Yeah, I have to take care of him. So you just,
Come out. Come out.
this me I talk about?
Come
This me I
out.
talk about?
Where your things in there? Come out. Come out.
Me not ready to come out yet. Me not ready to come out yet. So me know what you gonna do.
Come out of my house.
Come out of the shop. For your house, what me been? Girl, give me some. Yo, Please, me not fight you. Me not fight you. Hey, girl, me not fight you. Hey, alright, me left.
Come out.
You can't, you're just weak.
Go weak.
Minky, necessary enough to lock up a place. Where you say emergency be now? Because what do you?
Girl, me not business boy if place wanna lock up, you know. Oh.
Somebody dead for you?
Hmm?
Somebody dead for you?
If I did that, go on, it would do so bad. Girl,
Oh.
Bongo life.
Congratulations, man, I right thing.
And he
So
say,
you're sad for?
he not send no more money come give me. And he stop take care of his son. How?
One more puppy done. Puppy done have a small business, you know. First start talk to him, man, go have to run money. You understand what I'm saying? So stop going like your idiot and text him, man.
But what go happen when my son not see him father?
Tell your son say father gonna foreign. When you
That-
come from foreign, you see
That
him
the penny
father.
they not take bullshit, so I know what you talk about.
Well, if father gone, if I can't tell your son that, then I don't know where to go tell him say because. But Bongo a dirty man, you know. So Bongo means say him not give pitney nothing. And look how pitney favor him even though Bongo ugly and look boy nice.
Don't do that. Me put no favor bongo and me in favor.
Rough. Girl, cheer up yourself and text him, man. I talk down like you're either. Come, put in a password. Come. Let me text him first. Hi, I think you want send. See message send. The coming soon. Text her back. Talk down like you're either. As one gone, the next one born. You never hear that?
Me hear what me there say it,
Cheer
but
up yourself, man.
me say it, but me don't know if me ready for it.
Girl, you're ready from the first time Bongo start cheat. Listen. Cheer up yourself, man.
Your papa me close off for me.
You want rum?
Go for your rum, me
You
like.
want craving here?
Go for your, me no want to crave me, but go for your
You
rum.
want rum? Give me money, I'm gonna buy you.
Me broke.
It's about gonna take like $500.
I joke me I make broke way must say I idiot. Oh, anyways, we left off of that right now. Me see
You're
if
happy now?
yeah, me see if
No, you
Poppy
come
dan
to your
text back.
senses. Hurry up, Auntie. Look how fast the man text back. And them man that you feel with. Them man that will respect you. But gonna respect you. Come, text back, man.
Go send him a voice note.
We're going to voice note, man.
No,
Tell
tell him
the
if you come
contract.
give me a link.
Yeah, which is right.
Hello. Come and give me a link.
That's what I'm talking about.
Shh, in my car. Hello? Me there.
Where are you, Nadia?
No, me just stay here. Go on easy.
Well, look for raining and really I don't much work to this, so I wonder if we could just link up and
Yes. Come over.
alright, no problem.
Alright. Go on your yard. The man a come.
After me come over, you can't cheer up now. True man, I come here and me got me here. But I want to see you now later.
Bongo gone. I walk with a sweet myself. Hey, I didn't want to go destruction in my life, you know. Crosses, you know. Pull up on my son bicycle and he sit them over there. So. But this me really stress over dirty bongo. sense.
Pinky,
Yes? Come inside.
what's up?
Hi. Oh, you alright?
Why? I just feel out here right now, like, I just feel so nervous. I feel wonder if I dream, I dream. I feel tell my brethren to shut me a box for night time, cause when you see message come in, I wonder say if I me if you get that the message yet. I never expect it.
So you shut your box with you?
Yeah, shut me a box, cause I tell you say I feel like say I dream,
Oh my. Let me see your face.
You good man.
You good?
Yeah man, you make me heart skip a beat around 50 times, I tell you the truth. I feel like say I saw cartel fees still in lockdown for 13 years and come out and I just don't feel. Just feel excited.
So, tell me a little about yourself now.
Well, as I know, I'm a business person. You understand me, I have a little business.
What kind of business you run?
Well, I know say it's a little restaurant still. You understand? And I have a little bike, more I do a little delivery also.
Oh, not bad, not bad. Well, as I can see, you see kid stuff there, so though, I have one son.
Well, that can really a problem because you know say me, so when me in a relationship, I make sure say my woman good. You understand? You know, say me I go stand responsibility the same way for your youth. Cause me not get no youth as yet. Long time me have them a connection like a Wi-Fi.
Like a Wi-Fi. Eh? So Wi-Fi alone only pick up?
No, no
Eh?
Wi-Fi alone.
Oh.
Hotspot weak man. Wi-Fi
Well,
get a better connection.
as I know, I come out of a relationship right now. My baby father, you not going good. You not going good at all. But me not really want to tell away my day enough you can't do the same thing, so just left that there so.
Well, me not go tell you say me and him and I see me just want to prove you wrong.
Okay.
Cause they always say when man say that them always come do that too. So
No, the
just want
worst
prove you
too.
wrong. Exactly. So me just want to prove you wrong.
Anyways, you know what I want to drink, you know.
Yeah man, no problem man. Where you having this?
Orange juice. So orange juice.
Yeah. Take some orange juice. Yeah, just a glass sweet.
Thank you.
Just like we are gorgeous, you know?
I need to, you know, you must have energy to take door.
You know this. If me talk and everything go right, you know say you're responsible for the business here. Cause you know say me can't have a woman. You understand? And I'm sure 100 same. So you know say me can deal with something. You left in charge.
Me run one business there, you know.
What kind of business?
I sell clothes here and there, something there, so. And I like to pick up one woman when I work.
Well,
I'm full of ambition.
You know, can also invest in it also. You know, so we have to do this for one another, right?
Yeah, that is true.
That makes sense. You have a partner with motivate you in a way you do. Stand up and help you do what you do.
Well, I'm baby father just full of your drama.
Well, I really want to talk about him. Let him know the past and we do the present. So, I don't know if you want to just watch a one look movie and just kick back and relax.
Too fast. Slow down. So fast I want to enter the bedroom. Hey. Slow down now. We just have to take it at that time, okay? So.
No problem. I'm not rushing. I'm not rushing all this.
Yeah, alright, differently though.
Yeah, man, alright, man. Well, funny thing, you know, I have to deliver for deals there. Then I have to go back to my restaurant and I'll pick up the food and I'll make the delivery. So you eat already?
Yeah, man, good man.
For sure.
Alright, trust me.
Alright, if anything, you have my number, you call me or you text me.
Alright, I will.
Okay? And if you want Burger King, you can call me still.
Alright, no problem.
Later.
Nice to meet you. Ride safe.
Alright, thank you.
Oi. Care about my cup.
Oh, sorry about that. You know, I just have my brain a little bit
Yeah,
confused.
me know. Alright, later.
Alright, baby.
Okay. Nice door. Dirty bongo. Hey, you just did.
Thanks.
Alright.
Yeah, we're good. We
Yeah.
just come have a pinky.
Overthinking.
Yeah.
How am I overthinking?
She said bongo gan.
Bongo gone. Yeah. So you're happy about that?
Of course, me happy because Pinky can do what she want to have a free mind. Oh, wow, so you move like you know already.
And I really say no, babes, but remember somebody go over there and talk to Bongo, so you kind of have an idea what go on and me and him there a reason. And I chat to you, bro, and tell him, so yo, we don't really make no sense. You stay in all of this, but I just jump out of the house and say, Bongo tan. Bongo don't really want to left, But he did tell me say more or less, but I don't believe in him, because you know Bongo a liar.
Yeah.
So how Pinky I take it? She happy about your side?
Yeah, she at first when we go over there she did a cry and stuff, but she get over it and now she not cry no more again.
Well, look, I can move on then.
Well, yeah, she can move on.
That's good.
Bongo do her a lot still, you know.
You know that must be a long time in this then and Bongo I'm a boy now, but Bongo head not really dep on him body. Look like you all and sense them in the locks. And then just a flash round, so I sense them just a flash round, yes, okay, so. So my time he head not really there, so but at least he pitting good still.
Bongo say not take care of Kwan.
What do you mean you not take care of Kwan?
He say not give Pinky nothing for baby.
What do you mean by that? So no man, you have to go, you can't do that man, because you got court and lose if you not take care of it.
Yeah, man, I come back over there, man, I tell Pinky to take care of him court.
No, not tell him that. Tell him say more, threaten him say more, carry him go court.
No, me I tell her to carry him go court.
No, yes, you move like you don't like Bongo. Tell me true.
I
What do you mean
don't
you like him?
Bongo.
What make you not like him?
He ugly, he lie, he cheat, he everything now one. Me not like him.
Babes, you know, say Bongo tell me, say you tell him say you're ugly. I mean, tell him say I lie, tell.
If you believe him, because that's true, he ugly bad.
You look funny me every day now, babes. I'm a friend still. Me no want him go jail, but he just threaten him say him a go jail. Watch from Bongo hear about jail herself. Him a coward. Remember, Bongo a fighter, but him a liar and him a coward. He can't survive in a prison. They are bigger man for Bongo. They beat out Bongo.
I don't then figure.
There's no bother with that, man.
And we go down there go learn lesson.
We not learn no lesson.
Go learn lesson.
What kind of lesson man can learn in a prison?
What if a lesson man can learn in a prison? You can come the day.
There's no bother with that, man. Just chat to Pinky and tell him.
Yeah,
and me have to go reason back with Bongo too, because he have to take care of you. You them my future. We grow and hate him too if he not take care of him.
I feel this is the father that you want. You understand what me saying?
I mean, I feel good to hear this.
I
feel good to hear this one, but you're not making God jail though, right?
Me, I know my pitney. I think if you know what she do.
Yeah, but you must say I'm Pinky so you can go in and bring and convince him.
Convince Pinky for?
Send Bongo jail.
Convince Pinky to get the next man.
You convince him to get next man?
Yes.
Then me can't really say nothing about that.
But if Bongo figure jail, him a go jail, him a go down.
Pinky that?
Yeah, Pinky.
No, babes. The situation is rough.
Give me a minute. Hello? What you say?
You're not calling me.
Yeah, me a calling. Give me a minute. Me a talk.
When you not calling me, you want to go with puppy.
Eh? Tomorrow I'm going to check your man. Just go and do your thing. Do your business with Poppy and tomorrow I'm calling you. Later.
Who name Puppy?
I want a businessman with Pinky. She has started up a small business.
You
So
have to tell me about it. I mean, I'm really not a girl business, but
Mhm.
I try to chat to Bongo still.
Yeah, man, I need to talk to Bongo.
Alright. I mean, I say I got to take care of Pinky, you know.
Yeah, me always take care of Pinky and just know me.
Yes,
take
if
care
you,
of
no,
Pinky.
you know, I give a man still, I can't talk to, but if you give one, you have to give me a good man like me, or rubbing shoulder.
Like are you? How can I talk that?
Like a, no, me as the man, but give me a man with hand like a me, who will rub your shoulder, rub your foot, massage you, pay there with aisle, make you use my card, buy your chocolate. You know, all the nice things in your life, baby.
Okay.
Alright.
In due time.
What an awesome day, you know? Nice at the time.
Mr. Babe,
You look tired though.
you see, for the past few weeks, I'm not alone. I just feel so comfortable around you.
Well,
You know,
I better call a real man because I'm sure no say never. Hello? Sis, where are you, sis? Sis, let me ask you one question. You feel like say I come broke us this? Yeah, my sister, you know, you can't just go down to my business place and want me amount of food every minute, you know? Alright, here I want to say, hold on, here now. I kind of want a little meeting at the moment, so may give a call here. Sorry about that. Yeah, as I say, you tell me say you're comfortable around me and I feel comfortable around you too. You understand? So that for sure so we have a real energy. You understand? We think connect.
yeah, so pick up back from me and say, no drama at the end of my life. I just feel, you know, like when you come out of one toxic relationship and then you mend back with somebody who just come out. But
I have
anyways,
something special for you as well.
when we go to bedroom. But anyways, my son, they don't have grandmother. And I want him to meet her, you know, but I just take things slow. I don't know if you're serious or now. So
What do you mean by me serious?
I don't know if you're serious or now.
Of course me serious. Me look like me a run joke.
Well, you soon meet him.
Me take things slow, man, but as I say, I have something here for you.
My God, thank you. You know what? I'm ready for you.
Of course, me ready too.
Okay, you ready?
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
that.
Hey, why with yourself, you know?
Tell us something can do your work, man. I'm in a rum chat, you know.
Say something big tall. Eh? Big tall.
Hold it.
No,
You doing a lot.
I'm not expect nobody.
You're sure your friend, your girl, best friend or something.
No.
So who could have come and knock on your door? Be?
Go check now.
How are the bongo jungle this?
I understand how I go. I mean, who could have come and knock on your door?
Check.
Hey boy, how are you doing in my yard?
Me?
You know me?
When me say me know you?
So what you doing?
Me I do for your yard? Wait, me I do for your yard? Who you be? Who you be?
I mean who me be? No
I broke
pinky
your
man.
pink? You a pinky man?
So you are who?
Pinky, who is a pinky?
What you there?
Pinky, who is a pinky? Pinky, who is a?
Hey, you be before this. Make you know who me be, you know. Cause me mash up in there, you know.
Pinky, who is a pinky? Pinky, who is a pinky? Where is the mom?
Yo,
Eh? You must be special. Eh? Hey, boy, I'm body say back.
what you try to do?
When me say bongo boy.
Hey, hold me, you know. Hey, hold me, you know.
Hey, boy, knock on the head, no boy.
Bongo Bill now.
Eh? Hey, boy.
Watch out.
I know that.
Somebody
That's my
want
run
to
long step.
spill blood in my place.
Oh, all right. Which man that? A man a really care of me house. Eh? 2 weeks me gone, a man you want? It a scratch you? It a catch you, same thing? Our. Tell me what I go and explain to me.
Are you alone to kill up yourself, you know?
Let me say kill up myself.
Come out of my house. Come out of my
Me a come
house.
back to my house.
Come out of my house. Are you alone to kill up yourself?
Me a come, me nah.
Destruction! Crosses! Tribulations! Come out of my life!
A bike man you really take up? Bike man you really want? You like your scripts? Eh? You
Come out
can't
of
be
my house.
easy.
You come and lift up my shit off my man. Let me take you and trap you with it.
Of my machine,
Come on, come on.
When is that come on? Where you with that going? Me not left that son. Where my son there?
Where
my
say
son there?
you're not left?
Me not left. So anything we you do it for now. You say me, I'm never spill blood then.
My sister didn't set you.
Set me for what?
on me.
How come I come for you? I'm a Mr. Girl. Eh? I'm a Mr. Hug me up, man. Hug me up. Hug me up, man. I'm a Mr. Girl.
Let me go.
Let me get you go. Where you smell, son? Where you smell, son?
Let me go.
How you smell, son?
How me smell?
Smell like you just do it. You just me.
No, where you talk about? I can't believe somebody really did want answer on man. Really?
So you tell me say you do nothing at all.
Bongo, what your problem?
Pinky,
Talk
come
to me.
back,
What
no.
is your
Come
problem?
back. More you back now. There's no way. Yo, who the man? Where you come from now? And I'm run a restaurant, the girl there. I him run a restaurant, make me talk to you, Pinky, talk back to me, man. Yo, make it sound like me have to go crazy this place, man. I run a restaurant, no place. Pinky, talk to me now. You not talk now. You not no mouth. Are you answer now?
Bongo, what you want?
Me want you back, and me now left until you confirm say me and you dead.
Want to back?
You me want back.
Oh, what
And
is
you
that?
have to tell me now say me you dead back right now. Me take 2 weeks to make you a break. Me no call your phone, me no stress you. Me know say you have your free time, you and your girlfriend them go out and something there. Me back. And me want you back.
I must feel like I'm afraid of you. Who says so?
I'm afraid of me.
Who says so?
Me I tell you say everything officers calm right now. So.
Who says so?
What you say, Adi? You give me back a chance?
No.
Well, me I move back in, so we're going to work it out in time. So come on.
Move back.
Come on.
Oh, where do you...
I mean, say, what do you teacher? Go round that side.
Hey. Come. Girl, one piece of something just go on a while ago.
What you talk about?
Bongo round there now.
Wrong.
Round there so.
You're too lunch.
Hold on there. You can You see them now?
What kind of
Puppy
drama?
Shh. Puppy Dan come here. Me and the man on the side here. You know, good services. And then, you know, you hear boom, boom, boom on the door. So I say, who that? Come in and expect say Bongo ago. Come here, so. Him no go pull door. Bongo nearly kill him. Anyways, Bongo nearly kill me too, but me not even bother dead. I laugh at
What do you mean about that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, girl. The man have to run out, left everything. Left his shirt, his phone, like piece of drama in my life.
Good drama this time.
Listen to me. Me I laugh, but I kind of laugh to me I laugh. Hello.
This will come, turn up yourself.
How where you go?
Bongo. You know hear me talk to you? You not hear me I say? Bongo, what you do here? What you do here?
You have a person if you come talk to me, you know.
Shut up. Listen to me. I'm thinking for how much years. And she never cheat by you. But Bongo, every week, every day is a different woman, different drama.
I mean different woman, different drama. What you talk about? Me come in and me see man's shirt on my bed. And man hat round there so man run out. You know run if you're not guilty. When police say freeze! What you do, freeze or you run?
You freeze.
You freeze, not true? Because you're not guilty.
Exactly.
But if you're guilty, what you do?
No bother with that. You know, say no behavior. We come in here feeling people them. You need to go on.
What me need to
You
go
need
on?
to come out of your house and give Pinky space. Listen to me. You did have Pinky. And you never did a cheat or good.
Who never treat Pinky good?
Never know a use side tail until they lose it. You need to go on.
No.
Yes.
I think so.
You
This
need
is
to
what?
go give her a space. Because listen to me.
Yeah, what counselor?
You're not
Yeah, what?
counselor, but a right thing.
Me not like it from man. You don't like me from man. If he's my listen to you.
You not have to listen to me. No?
Yes, so when you
But
come in, you come
on
talk.
behalf of my friend.
On behalf. She went send you as a spokesperson. She hire you if you come talk to me. She can't talk if she not a mouth. She can't talk to me because she not tell me self me to leave because she know me belong here.
You don't belong here. You don't belong here. You need to get up and leave now.
Alright.
One.
Answer me one question. Let's answer me because me have shame in me have parents.
Go straight to your
I
point.
know where, feelings and hurt can do. Can me feel hurt right now.
So Pinky never hurt yet?
Did I say she was not hurt because of what she found and her assumption about everything she see my phone and all them something there? She thinks me I give her a bun and all them something there. Did I stutter? One breath. Alright, listen me and say. The man was the youth there. You think they're serious because you and she are good friend?
No.
They're not serious?
No.
What you mean, so no? So what am I do here? And I walk from room go around so.
Let me tell you. They just come here and sit down and talk in the room, probably in big hat, so then turn on the fan and attack.
So you went there?
Me never there
that she tell you?
know what go on.
You know what go on? All me I tell you say, I gonna know what go on soon. But the youth me I tell you, I go check him again. I see him. Cause him run the restaurant downstairs. Behave yourself.
Relax.
Who you tell to relax? Who you be?
Think you ever go to none of your woman them?
What you mean woman them?
You ever go to none of your
She
woman
can't see them cause of the people who me meet up.
Go on. Oh, you carry money for go on? You carry money for go on? You Pinky on the way out. Go on. Get up. Come on.
Don't touch me, you're mad. How dare you? Don't you dare do that.
If I'm like you're mad.
Me
Or
mad.
something.
You
or
mad.
something, you think
We are
I'm
touch me.
Come on.
Don't touch me. Hey. I fight, you really want to fight? Girl,
Come out, I'm a friend. Oh,
you really come here to come fight me?
get out. Come.
Me said don't. Alright, I'm gonna leave, but me leave on my own term. Don't touch me.
Go on then.
Give me 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on.
I'm gonna left some money. I'm gonna pick up some money and come back.
No, you're gonna get
Left him money now for him.
You have no money for me.
See, come on. You say you're hungry. That's why hungry there in your back.
So you don't miss me?
Come on. Wanna?
Hmm?
Excuse.
Just give me one kiss for you, road.
Give which kiss? Excuse. Nonsense, rubbish. This me a talk about, girl. A madman me there with. Me did there with.
I don't know where you pick up that man.
Go on, that Rasta man. Yo, me say. Yo. You left me out. Left me out. Take up my phone and go on. Come, go on now. Right now.
Hey, and I'm shot now where you did that get
Sick
you
me
now,
sick
so.
now. Go on your yard. Go on.
Hello, and I'm shot now where you did
Me have to go call back my man now. Go on your yard. Go on.
And because you go like, you know.
Sick me sick right now, yeah? No, that I do run him over, but I never come in time.
Go.
Go.
Never come in time.
When me nearly dead and nobody they never come. Go on. Go on now.
At least me reach him.
Go on.
Your mother go bury your body.
Later me check your sis, love you.
You just look sad serious.
If I tell her what happened to you, I can't believe.
What happened?
Me say your friend go over Pinky and today go create one big scene.
Who? Which friend that?
Who are your friend?
I can't bungo yata.
If you bongo me attack, I don't know nobody else. I always got Pinky yard.
What can I see? Me asking close them and something.
No. Pinky and one of her friend over there. And him come and draw machete and spoon off a man. Yeah. So a man have to run out of the house, so me have to go over there. And I tell him, say, Anna ask him what go on. He can just jump in and jump out as he feel like. And tell him say he need to leave.
That's not right. That's not right. So, you see him and the girl had nothing?
No, they never did that, no. They just did the attack, but only thing he man, they take off his shirt. He have a marina do. Cause he saying had so Pinky turn on the fan.
No, I understand what bungo I think about, you know, cause females, you know. Me not saying right, you know, cause you can't run down people with machete, man. We pull out bigger machete and we lose the war. But, we man. That's not right. The pitney did and say that, not sure.
No, baby never did it, baby. Must have and granny. You know, say look boy love the grandmother.
I always know that. But,
Yes, so.
I feel good to know that, man. So Pinky say.
Pinky them mad out over there right now. You need to find Bongo anywhere in there and give him a serious start because he might get from bad to worse. He can just pop up on a girl place and he'll fling with stuff and all type of something and go on over a girl place.
God. I don't know what wrong with that man there, you know. I don't know what wrong with him, but
No, tell Pinky if you call police on him, I'm sorry for you.
no, man, give him one chance. Everybody deserve one second chance.
He get 50 chance.
Give him 51. 51. God say you must
You know
forgive.
something I like your style, you're unfair. You always a pick up for Bongo.
No, babes, me I try to be fair. As me say Bongo wrong, but the Pinky wrong to put man in a Bongo house. Cause I say Bongo build, you know. And me tell him to come out, you know. So I succumb. When he see me more cuss me, and I say, you see me I tell him to come out of your house as me left him carrying man. And that him out tell me, you know. And then
So
me,
him name have woman. Eh?
I don't know about that.
You're not gonna know.
Babes, me just a
You
try
never
this
did
here.
not know, man.
No, but me and him no hold them the reason there. Me hear say he get catch with woman 9 phone and me agree saying wrong there so. That's why I'm telling him say he must leave. That's why I'm telling him say he must
You
leave.
see, if you and him a good man, mother say you come like bongo. But I
Babes,
true you're
don't say that.
different.
Don't say me I'm a good man. I'm the best man.
Yeah.
I'm the best man. That's why you can't say me come like bongo.
Ah.
But me a chat to him still, cause me no like that.
And when do you need to find him and go talk to him?
I want to refer me, I'll go call him. Give him a call.
Yes.
Alright, I'm just gonna cash it in here.
Ah.
Bro, I pray.
I'm not there, man.
Come here, sir.
Yo, that's what I tell you. Thing just set away, bro. Remember me tell you, you know, cause I'm feeling mash up things, bro. Like this a woman I count him for idiot when me invest everything in him. Me invest everything. But me say what really happen? The woman, a man she have.
Woman get this man.
You mean say I'm go to go see man, brother? You know one brother who have one restaurant down the road there? Named Poppy Dan. Yes, man.
Shot you.
Shot stuck it dirty, man.
No, say man, not sure you're upset. Why me man who say, but you can't upset like that. I know you're a woman again, bro.
You sure some? What you mean say, yo, I'm your baby father?
Yeah, but that's a baby father, bro.
So what that mean?
That means say, she your baby mother
Baby boss.
and your baby father. But relationship is no more. Remember say you move out of the house, you know?
Alright, listen to me I say. What you mean say move it out? Move it out. Me a stomach to bump on it. What me bill?
Bro.
Me bill that and you say me move it out. Me just give her some time. Yo, just watch what you think drama start yet?
What do you mean if drama
You
start?
feel say drama started?
So what do you mean by that?
What you mean say what me mean by that? You go hear about it on news.
Bongo.
Because if that the boy feel like he can go back and me
Bongo.
had a problem.
Bongo,
I mean you bongo.
Bongo, listen
I
to
mean you know bongo wrong. You understand me I say?
That's your problem, you know. Listen to me I say no. I quote they want to carry out. They want to send you to jail. And
Send me to jail?
Bongo, me and you know say you're coward.
No, hold on. So them type of jail for you?
At the prison, they actually you know me beg. I go down, for me. You know me I talk about. Come in, I say them words. But you know me do. I beg him say, please, feel me baby, feel me wife, or someone to be baby mother. I said, please, talk to Pinky.
So you finally go left the girl in the
My bill man,
man some 2 times baby mother, but even though me yo that woman there, you know, I want next one, you know. You know, woman come in the place when me in there now and I tell me say me fi come out. I want fight me out of me own place.
Pinky.
No, fear woman. Yes, because she know Pinky go call her now say me did it. And when Pinky call her say me did it now, the woman a fight me.
Oh man, you ain't telling me that neither.
Woman not tell the full story. You think they go tell the for them side and then go ball and give that emotion why you know some man can't do it out. Because no man don't want to see a pretty face cry.
No, like I tell you about. Alright. Me I go ask you as my friend. You me I talk to. Me no business about over there so. The female them, for them can make them do that. But you as my friend. Me no want to see you go to jail.
Me no want to go to jail.
Right now, them a pray if you carry a jail.
No, they can't do that.
No, me tell you why. They must say you are pray if you not mind a son. You don't know how true that be. But me know say a man will love your son. So me feel like a lie them a tell. But me know you will say it in that moment, you know. Me don't agree, you know, but me know you can. Me say you take up my shit.
Me? My shit them a talk about? Them don't know what go on it, man.
But them don't know what go on, bro.
Them think about drama start yet. Drama not start yet.
Bongo.
Yo.
Bongo. Jail no make fear.
Me not go to jail.
Bongo. Jail no make fear.
But if me go to jail, you can bail me.
Bongo.
You can bail me.
Bail but jail no make fear.
No make for me. I don't mean make for.
Man, sometimes I see someone and left them and I know say a baby man, I know say you have feelings and fear. But right now, me see Bongo, you look like a idiot. And nobody no want to tell her. But me won't tell her. If you take up my shit and run down, man. Post the chopping. Post the drop and chop yourself.
I also never really want to chop him. I just want to conk him in the head. And that am I mean, if anything happen, but
Alright. Who was to do the take up machete and him have something better than a machete and just start wheel out upon you?
I come with that man. Him not have nothing like that, man. You can't see him face. Can't miss my woman if you are coward still. But as me I say, I'm not gonna make this bother me. Just know say the reason me come talk to you and because you want you are going, but me not talking to nobody else. Me done the chatting.
No, man,
Yeah, me say me done the chatting.
You subscribe yet? To subscribe is free.
Welcome to Dawson's Diner, located at Landale Main Road, right across from the new calling center Teleperformance. The telephone number to contact us is 284-8464 or 857-2289.
You subscribe yet?
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind. When I open my eyes and you I see, I close my eyes and wish you'd come running back. It's in my mind. When I open my eyes and you I see, yeah, I see you. I know this may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say I need you, I just hope you will accept. I think God created you for me. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind.
Babe, you don't eat.
Come on, my belly kind of full of this, so just cover up this middle place.
Alright.
You know, so that's why I have to rate it though. Because I do my lifestyle and I feel live. I just feel comfortable around
Me
it.
I go carry it. I come and get continue.
Go on, come. See, you know, easy, you know. Yeah, my little slim as you know. As I mean,
You see I
babe,
go on now.
I do my lifestyle and I like to live because you take care of me so good. You understand? And that's why I fight for the relationship. And you see all your baby father him when I come here with him drama. Now they pan them drama there, you know. I come here and I push badness. Actually, I don't want chucky badness pan him, you know. I tell her, you know, babe. I easy, you know. Because if you show me it's a real businessman, so I have to deal with my business. You understand? And show them the man, they're local. You see me?
Where
My
say?
thing international.
Where you say me baby father do? Look, where you say?
Yeah, same thing local and my thing international.
You sick? No, you listen to what you talk out your mouth say.
So you try to tell me, so no, yeah, disrespect me.
No, me not disrespect you, but just
man,
mind
listen
how
up.
you approach me baby father. We mind not on good terms, but
what?
if you mind where you do mind certain things that come out your mouth.
So why you have to get so loud? Me I talk and you get loud.
Because me don't know why you use this thing you go on other day and I go on like say you want to style him.
No, what me I talk
Yeah,
to
me
you.
understand say he come here and he go on with his foolishness and the drama thing, which me do sorry about it. But you don't have to come and talk about my baby father local. Out of there, man. You see this house?
I always say truth hurt. I mean I talk it
It
truth.
truth
cause me
can't
a star
hurt. You
and
see
you
the
like
house?
Lena.
Eh?
Eh?
You see the house here? It's nice though.
Yeah, it was
The
beautiful
coach,
like
you like it though? I'm a baby
Comfortable.
father by. So he have ambition.
So me not have any.
Me never say not have none. But you gone too far now.
Alright, listen. As me say, I'm not really out there on the baby father drama business. So let's not talk about him. Let's talk about us. Because I say me now, me not really like a fight and a cuss. You understand? And
Me not like on the fight and the cussing neither. But it's that you need to talk about me and you need to talk about bongo.
Yeah, that may I say. May if you talk, you need to talk about bongo. Bongo is important.
So
Well, enjoy breakfast, you know. Just feel like say, I just want to go. Well, a shower now or maybe just watch something. We don't want to watch TV.
no, I appreciate me not to go to one shower. I kind of feel tired, to be honest.
I'm going to lie down and relax then. And if you want to take out some
You're
something
not
for
hot.
snacks.
Why you doing all this and something and so you're not hot?
No, I'm not hot.
You like your hairstyle, my dear?
Hold on. Sis, what on? No, I not dey down a shop man at all. Yeah. Sis, right now I can't bother with FaceTime more while I always I tell about them the style, you know, sis. Alright.
Why every time me they have a chef call?
Yeah, I nothing for you be so aggressive for.
What?
I know nothing for you be aggressive. And I like I want
When
friend
me
and
and
my
you
sister.
me no business. When me and you start talk, right? You see nobody a call my phone.
Nobody not call the phone. And that me even I wonder, cause me I wonder if you hide the call them from me, babe. Because by any day, and I say I just say two away, you know. And nobody not perfect, you know. You say you can't go and like say you're perfect, you know. Because every relationship you have the ups and downs. And in a this we are gonna go through thick and thin. And I go still there for you. And I want you still there for me. You understand? I give you the key for my heart. I'm not talk about the bully beef key.
Yeah, me understand. So what she a beg no food?
She always a beg me money and everything. You know a family, that's a family stay, but we're just going to go have a nice time and let's not talk about that, right?
Right.
Okay, easy. I just don't love you now, Anthony.
Alright, so what I'm saying is, I am open to making this business possibility work. Because I think it's a good idea for both of us. Of course. But would I need to discuss like the liabilities, all of those stuff. I'm willing to make it work, sir, believe me. Because I feel like this would really put we as a partnership on the next level. We say weekend. That means someone have to do back and forth then. Up and down. Oh, you have a place? Hotel? That not sound bad, but alright. You see, me is a man of principle, I believe in a family, a household principles. Someone have to talk to wife about that. But I feel like she's good with the man, so you can arrange up it. We talk to her, make she know, because I really feel like this is the next step. Alright, have a good day, sir.
No. I'm coming to ask you hear from your dirty food friend?
Who?
Rasta. Who me feel talk? How much friend you have?
Babes, to come morning just like 10 years there, say bongo foot them dirty. You don't have to do like that, babe.
Oh,
But
God.
I have to do like that, man. I don't like that.
You never like nothing what me say about bongo yet.
Because you never say nothing good about bongo yet. You never say he's an ambitious man or anything like that.
After bongo not ambitious.
Bongo build a house.
Duh.
That's ambitious.
Anybody can build a house.
Anybody can, but not everybody will.
Whatever.
What?
Why you did it for fun?
A partnership. I saw news. Look like we'll go a hotel weekend, but everything not confirmed up yet. I said more discuss it with you, but to backtrack a little bit, yes, I did talk to Bongo. As far as I can see, Bongo they pass on type of meds where like the patient in my Bellevue Them sick people, them mad people that bongo depend right now. Cause me a reason with him and babes, me hand them big, believe me. But you see bongo out of my hands them right now. Me cannot control him. Me don't know what my thing say. So me don't know what to tell us about bongo.
But I don't understand what bongo really. You know what I'm saying? Really and truly, are you introduce bongo to my friend? Are you make my friend in all of them I say, you know?
Me make a friend in all of
Of
them.
course, because if you never introduce bongo to her, she would do then this mess where she in right now.
Babes they can't pray, so if me never introduce bongo to her, she won't have a son. And that you better you tell me thanks for make she have a son.
Listen, me not regret Pinky having her son, but I should have bongo it.
If you never have a bongo, it wouldn't be said person. It'll be a total different. And babes,
Yeah.
why every time you do this, every time you have Pinky reason, you get upset with bongo and you try to make a leak in a full relationship. Me not like that, babes. Shame on you. Shame on you, babes. You should do better.
Shame for me?
Yes, you make for them
How
negativity.
kind of thought that?
Yes, because me not feel good with all of this. You make for them negativity leaking. I feel with him and me have a good relationship.
How me I make a leak in a relationship, analyze.
Alright.
Yeah, listen, I'm not in it.
A while ago, you said I'm me cause all of this from Pinky. And that basically you
Then
say,
I lie?
how am me? I mean, make them go have other woman. Alright, just left us alone.
Left her alone. Oh, so you know about bongo and the other woman them. You know say bongo did have whole heap of other woman. Okay, thank you, Jesus. Me this so that you start talk to you. No, babes, me.
Hold on. Remember say, and you come to me, you know, and I say, Pinky, see pictures of bongo I send to other woman. So if you must send them pictures, I must see other woman them how me if you know about this, and even if me know about it, and my business, if you go and tell Pinky say, maybe, just might, remember say me not sure or know nothing, you know. Maybe he man have an ex woman or multiple, as you say. So babes, why you make me look like the villain and I'm here try to be the hero in all of this?
Oh.
That's why you go, you know, as a man saying, you know, you either die the hero or you live long enough to be the villain. And it look like you want to be a villain.
I see your procedure.
So
I see.
What do you mean I see?
Know yourself.
You don't worry. This not nothing to do with me.
Nobody can use my thing when me come tell us as excuse, you know. Cause you know, you know it was a friend. And my grandmother said, bird of a feather flock together. But me not even know if you are flock like I am.
So what do you mean by that? See my phone here. See my phone, they looking there. Yeah, right now,
you could just delete everything and then I can dash phone for me. You think me an idiot?
No, I feel like bongo idiot that thing you should do. Delete the things them.
Oh.
It would cause less drama and it would make you blame me and I try say me a cheat and all the inside pass it me. That even feel good boy listen and I tell you the truth. Right now me get one good call this morning say we could have got a hotel for the weekend and this just ruined my day. I tell you the truth, I feel away.
I mean make you feel away?
No.
And your friend will make you feel away, you think of me?
What do you mean you think of you?
Your friend with the dirty attitude and the nasty lifestyle.
That a bongo,
that's why I can't like the man.
And in woman or ex-woman business, how that affect me and you? How that affect me and you?
Yeah, it affect me. Because Pinky is my friend.
Bongo is my friend too. What him do not affect me.
You know what?
Are we in this relationship now?
Babe, let me say now. I make you feel like so soon. Yeah, me know it's because I work and thing. You say I'll come back later. Alright, babe. I soon call her back here.
I thought you make love to my phone.
But the way you bloom through my door and not even knock.
Me, I only person for boom show you son.
Okay. What go on?
Me there. This morning me talk to my boyfriend and me ask him say if he did talk to Bongo. No matter me say yes. And they talk to Bongo, but Bongo look like in them mad like the people them way up on mad house or something like that.
Marika,
Hmm?
me your friend. And me don't want to be rude. What you talk about Bongo for? Listen to me. My man just left here, you know. I'm gonna make him some nice breakfast. Dumpling. I'm gonna even go tell him meat kind kill of talk. But anyways, I'm gonna make him a good breakfast this morning before I leave. So why you come and start I come broke me mood now about Bongo?
Sorry, I just did that tell her. Why you tell me say?
Me I live my life now in America. Me happy now, you know.
Me
As
happy
you
for
can
you.
see.
Me
Me just a
glad.
glow so. Look at me here.
Me see it. I saw it.
So don't come back here. Go and tell me no call back Bongo name in your mouth.
Me not even know where I come from, cause your man just left from
You
over
bright
here.
girl, no happen. No happen. Outside that. I'm going to tell about Bongo and broke my spirit.
Alright, so you can order some food. So me pass out there a while ago, you know, and a seafood the on the menu. Seafood, so call and order seafood, girl.
You know, so I feel like I name Bongo really want to go tell me boy I did food I want. You know my belly, you know.
Hey, come now, call him and order.
Order what?
Seafood the on the menu out there and some cham suwa. Some Chinese something. I don't know what that's something there, but order.
What you want to eat?
Seafood and cham suwa.
So what you chamsu?
I don't know that I see on the menu. I don't know, baby.
Alright, I'll call him back. No, I get him. Phone lock off.
Phone can't lock off. Ring again.
See there? Phone lock off.
Yeah, I'm ring him. No. Ring him again.
Every minute, so I'm just don't talk to him.
Lock off your phone and turn on the back.
Like how which one I tell you, what time with your out of my place. Button and phone. Oh, you know my belly so.
Call him.
Me
Try
not
him
call him
again.
again. If you want food, go on London, tell him say, I'm me send you.
No, you're crazy. When you can call and the food can deliver right at your doorstep. You must think me an idiot. You try number again, something wrong. Try the number.
Stay there and wait.
Then no wait.
Stay there and wait. Pan the food for deliver to you. Stay there so.
Alright, you know what? Let me try and pan my phone. Come on, if I style me, yeah, this the program. My bedroom from before, yeah, I'm there and everything, you know. I call him and say, what, do you know? Pinky. No ring the man phone, I ring. Your face is slick.
No, maybe when you there.
Hey, take your phone, order food.
Babe. Want two food. Yeah, I want seafood boil. I want seafood boil, I want curry goat. It ching. Sorry, babe, sorry. No, me don't know it. Me don't know it name my son. Yeah, want them know. Alright.
Give me my phone.
Food about ching.
Give me my phone. Yeah, don't touch me because when you do a
Girl,
while ago, I don't like that. No, you're corrupt. You're too corrupt, man. Are you one for your food out of a restaurant?
But me not get fat now, so I'll make me can get fat.
When I make fat, I'm hungry, I'm coming here.
When me there call him, he look like saying service cheap out.
Come here, idiot for you. You can't fool me because me calling me just start ring. Anyway, you not follow me, go to me here.
Box cover, my friend. I did today for the year.
Next year.
You know, so I remember me grab my bag and come.
Hurry up. Hello? Bongo ringing your phone. I wonder what I wanna so. Pinky,
What you say?
Bongo is calling you.
Girl, Bongo a steal news.
Backside.
Make him ring till him can't ring it no more.
Alright, let me dance to the ringtone. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Backside. Come on, you ready?
And wait there, the dance to the ringtone.
Yeah.
You see, you're mad. And I told them I convince you really mad for true. What you do?
Master God.
My man left when I see past them, I saw you, girl. Like the one here. See Bongo shoes the same way.
Bongo shoes to that way. Go bunny run a back.
I've been so sad for so long.
So girl, I
I know I should be
cast up a
moving
supermarket.
on. So distracted for so long.
Yeah, just like a fake car. A fake car. I must have to make car.
You know, send off his stay, sir?
But
Mama, come out to your car. Come drive the car, sir. Me go buy one juice. Come on, know where you go and suffer.
I told me give one little length. I want to take you all like girl. I told me give one little length. I want to take you all like. Or I go buy juice and come back. Watch out. So girl, take so long to come.
I see you. I know this may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say
How will you drive this? Where we are going?
Bongo, where you come here,
When you see me come and stuff, I see in my van and you enjoy the van like say all is well. Like what?
Who for van?
Who want you drive come here?
Who for van?
Who want you, are the big belly boy and you drive come here?
Yes, I
You laugh, you think it's fun and game this? You feel it's fun and game, you talk back to me now?
Hey, we lick in your face.
Lick on with your face. What you talk about, You forget who me be?
Bongo, move.
Let me
Bongo,
say Bongo
now.
move. Yo, tell me what you do.
Move.
Tell me what I want. Tell me what I want. Let me say look at your
Move.
hands. So make you push your hand through windows like that. Who want you drive come here, sir?
That no concern you. What your problem?
Let me say that don't concern me.
Bongo, what your problem?
So, you mean to tell me everything still want to come back on my yard?
Come back a which yard?
I have some stuff to pick up on my yard. On my yard, I come a while ago and I realized there's a supermarket. I have some stuff to pick up. I can go pick up my things them. I have some things that I'm moving right now.
Me can pack them up.
Pack up what? Pack
And
up your...
put
Me
it
don't want
out
you
of
touch...
the
No,
gate.
I don't want you touch my things them. Me don't want you touch my
What you
things.
mean by you don't want me
Me don't
touch
want
your
you
things
touch
them?
my things. Yo, me don't want you touch my things them.
Mind where you are do now. Mind how you come close to me.
Let
Cause you would like
come close. Yo, where you do? Mr. Who you come here, sir? When me can get my things then? Yo, where you look for?
you ramp with me.
Where you look for?
Move.
It means to move.
Move.
Who are you come here, so me ask you?
Move.
Are you and she? Come here, come here. Me move from inside, me know. Me a friend. Me know you. Last thing you come, me a talk to you, man, come on, things with that. Yo, am I in a relationship or me and she?
Don't want to talk to him. Me not like
So me care
him.
there, so.
Me not like you, Bongo. If you come for your things, them come for them. Me not like you. Me not want good relationship with my man now, you know. Who is you to come right as I come talk to me?
It's the same big belly man.
Hey.
Alright, that you say? So you say me, alright. When me can see me pin? What that girl is telling me, yo, we are there, so we are there,
Baby
so.
and grandmother.
When, from how long now?
1 week now.
1 week now? So that means you enjoy yourself, man. You live life. You see people like you, give me a week.
Bad man, where you do sir?
No, yo, me no come to
No,
where you expect.
where you do my business place?
Yeah, you hear me I say to you, me no come to where you expect, sir. Me come to talk to you and apologize.
Talk to me about what?
Hey, me
Go
apologize.
talk to your baby mother.
No, me
and
not talk.
apologize.
No, listen
Don't
me I
talk
say,
to
no,
me.
man. You hear me I say. Me done talk to she already. And me apologize to she already. Someone apologize to you.
Me
now.
no want to keep it. Keep it. Me no
Brother,
need
we
it.
are big man, you know. We can't flex that way there. You understand me I say? And if you understand, say, if you're going to be a part of your life, that means me have to reason with you upon a level. Because you're going to be.
You have a point. I'm
Yeah.
here, officer. All I see, I'm here, officer.
You know something nice, son. You know how man the money.
Let's say I go on now.
So you hear me I say no, son. See, realize say, me can't get her back and all them something. But me I wonder if, like how long now you and she talk now?
Well, it's been a good while now.
It's a good while, what do you mean?
I think it's like around 2 months now. Or 1.5 if I'm not lying.
2 months.
Yeah.
So reason being that me I tell you is like, you're gonna be now my son's
Stepdaddy.
Yeah, that's something there. And things, so really and truly, you just don't want to have the animosity. Can realize that she rated the way how, you know, to make it dead and thing.
Alright, if you
You
tell
know?
her the truth, boss man, I your baby mother, you know. You understand? And I not really depend the Babyfather drama business. You understand? So you mess up and me fall in a fair life. So as I say, I'm not really business within a business. You understand? Hold on there. Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Howell's Restaurant. Alright. Yeah man, I can pick it up in a few. Alright.
So you say that are you in a business?
Huh?
You not say like, are you in a business with what?
No, I say I'm in a business with phone and drama. You understand?
Food
So
drama.
you and her left and me take over. So I'm not really business tonight. You understand?
So tell me something now. You know, more know far relationship because I try to get her back, but I try to know if me fit try. But
I don't think that's gonna be a good something for you to do, you know.
so you start sleep over here now?
Well, yeah, I do that couple times well.
You sleep up for me yard?
Yeah,
For me big mother yard.
up your baby mother, yeah.
So it's like you kind of feel kind of uncomfortable, like you're show up from, like you're hype.
Nah,
Eh?
I find me tonight, I just say.
Like you say, you
mess
sleep on me woman yard and you do this Cynthia and make you and feel like say boy, what you do?
You know,
Eh?
as I tell you mess up and I just say, I mean take over. I not give no
When me say
attitude.
you really think you take over? Hey boy, you think you take over? Eh? You think you take over? You think you take over? Pop off on that boy. Yo, let me some me do. Let me some me do. Why you lucky, you know?
Then I'm my own business
Let
place
me
to
say
come
I
across
want business place.
excitement.
Yo, if you say done yourself, if you say done yourself,
Yo,
let me
that's
some
left
it.
my place. Here.
Left your place.
Everything.
Eh? Hey, see you?
Everything.
Yeah, come style me, but you sleep on
Everything
me
good.
yard.
You're
Eh?
lucky I'm a business place.
You're a business place.
You're lucky I'm a business
Yo,
place.
me
No,
lucky.
man.
Are you lucky?
You win
Are you
today.
feel lucky?
You win today, man. You win today. Here. So I'm a business place.
Ayod. Up to now, I don't know what happened. What you and woman have, father?
General, that's you know. Tell you the truth. I don't know you from Norway still, you know, but you look like somebody I can read. So, alright. Me and the man, baby mother, start for date. You understand? Pinky. She name Pinky. You understand? And first thing the man father had on night time and see me and start create one bag of excitement, draw machete and one bag of something. You see me? So basically now, me there today, you know, and he forward. When he just a forward, me that be aggressive because me tell him say, yo, me no want the drama on my place. He tell me saying forward for talk. You understand? Me sit down and I listen what him a say, I ask me a few questions, me I reply. Then all of a sudden the man just start put badness. You understand?
Badness.
Reason why me never even to fight back because I'm a business place. And they can't afford to lose customer and them the stuff there. You understand? He's a businessman and them the man they think local and I think international. Can't make people on the road a pass and I say fighting a go on yourself. They not go really want to stop yourself. So me have to be a man. You understand? So he win today. You understand? He take the strike there. And as first he come in, so you know say a chicken trick me. Come man forward and tell me say I apologize, I come apologize. But you know him.
Yeah, me kind of know something about him, but I'm telling you now, the man they are real bad man, you know. Real bad man, like what him Jaman say. Real bad man. Hold on, no father. I saw come to him trick, you know. Because he come and tell us I apologize. And I said, I plan for you to set you up, but
Everybody bad nowadays.
No, I know that. And that's why me try to calm the situation. Because you have a nice piece of place right there. So I'm not telling him, I carry my woman. You can't make you fighting go on. So me calm him down. But I don't know if you know, you know, but I feel him house, you know. So might be he come in the house, you could all wear underpants or something like that. I don't know. But my that dog see and get heated.
Well, it good still, I understand it good still. I go on my woman about it, because I never on the Babyfather.
No, man, I have to cut out that, man. I really have to cut out that.
General respect for you, because I have some little business to take care of. You
You
understand?
big up yourself, man.
Yeah, man. So remember, you know, you can carry a woman come and have a great time here.
Yeah, man.
I deal with some business in the kitchen, so.
Alright. Now go and sit down and look on that burger.
Can't believe it. Are we over there to laugh? Hey. Marika, laugh for me.
No, something I remember when me and my
Marika, you really style me, you know. You see the man come and grab off the wig off of my head. Stop laughing, man. Me not laugh, brother. This serious, and me not laugh.
No. Alright, big and serious now, big and serious. You really not follow me go do me here? And I'm my fault, make him man drag off a wig, you know?
So woman we didn't pitney over there, so can't even take a pitney nice in my head to you know. Girl, me can't believe Dirty Bongo. Anyway, me see me, I lick him in my face. I want piece of embarrassment that enough one man come and grab off your wig off your head and say, give me back the wig on me by you.
But you know where I had for this thing in a dash back a wig pie and you know. The man gone with the wig. What this no? But I love him man and wear man wig pie.
Anyhow, Bongo come back at me yard and boy ma come for clothes. I go see how me deal with him. You are go see how me deal with Dirty Bongo. You think you done it, you not done it, you know? Police have to go come for me today.
No, really big and serious. You don't talk about that. That's a simple 1, 2, 3 for buy back Pinky. But me here one do. You really know can me go up and
listen to me. When you go do back here?
I not even know. I have to go set one different appointment.
Me follow you them the time there. You see how me I'll get mad too. Me no want back in my car no. No go back in my Jeep.
I'm tell you something.
How you bring sadness for me, brother?
I'm tell you something. You have a nasty habit. You see people who look out for you and respect you. You always try to run them from around you. But I see you. Alright.
Girl, if I never you stop to go buy drinks at supermarket, the man would come catch me there so. But through your drinks belly, I want to you. A place where you go if you go there, you no sell drinks. They no sell drinks in there, they have one little fridge.
You go take a look at time for reach there, and me thirsty. Me not dead for thirst. And how me if you know how me know say Bongo did I go depending where I come did so. How me know that? Girl, stop going like say it's my fault.
I feel your fault.
I don't blame nothing upon me. Blame it upon you and your Babyfather. One big drama in our community to want to have.
Yeah, because people have to say me there with madman. And he had a go. Which are really madman for true. I know say any day me find out say he have one girl. Me I got torment back in life. You not believe? What me say?
That's a fair business. That is not my
me
business.
I got torment back in life. And that girl any we going by that girl me I drag you off back. And you see, hey, me buy him some shirt, you know. And I want him wear one of them and come up in my house with it. And he see how me deal with him. Tear ya fine. Never see sitting about me so girl. Look at my head. Eh? People all pass and I look. How you do?
No, so I fly to here, come up and so me have to find a way. When I done just come and fly in my
Out of me, you're a fear. Which one I want wash? For your head. For
Cause
your
your
head.
man pull off a
You
wig.
know,
You see a wig come out fast. Cause you want wash.
And I wash it, you want wash.
Yeah, sweating there.
My new man did not do it again.
Mm.
Even though I have my money. What you talk about?
Mm. Look at you. Tell him thanks for the food. That's the only highlight of the day. Guess sir, I go over to my man.
Oh, say your belly full.
Yeah, my belly full.
I can watch my business and laugh.
Listen to me. And not my fault what happened today, you know. And your fault. I should have controlled yourself.
Bongo, dirty bongo. What you mean, you? What you mean, dirty?
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep.
Why you come in a go and stuff?
Listen me. The last time me I go warn about your baby father. You know say man come down to my business place just not too long and disgrace me down there.
Who you talk to so?
And you may talk to be.
Who you talking to like that?
Me just get so upset because me don't have my business place. Right? And me I deal with some business. Me see man come up. So me I say, yo, where you come here suffer? Me no dey on the jaw mine. The man say, yo, two of we a big man and I just raise the things. But they for a while I think about it and I say, man, my reason. You understand? Then he did it. And we are reason, man, ask me a few questions like him a police.
Yeah, I understand what you say. I'm sorry about that.
Let me get to the point. You know,
But me know where you get to the point
the man grab me up and start war me. I want tall bridge and I have come and part with.
Me know film style.
And because I don't have my business place, I don't want it bad for business, I not do him nothing. But in and done ya so.
This is the second time I say nah, are you doing nothing now?
No, this
You
time
just
is
full
serious.
of mouth. You not
Play
say
time
full of
done.
mouth. Oh, say they play first time. And the second time I play same way.
Come on my business place, come disgrace me. My own business.
And I alone in disgrace. Look for my head.
You talk about something with these
Look
one.
for my head. The man grab off your wig off me and run me with it.
That not important. No, tomorrow me don't give money for deal with
What
that.
you mean by that not important?
Because it could. Yeah,
What you talk about? What you mean by that not important?
Because tomorrow you go do it, so the wig they go come off anyways. And that me I try to
So,
say.
yeah. So where you come about now?
Me come about to tell us if you want a baby father. Because you pick up film today. You understand? And see they now come disrespect me. And me feel so embarrassed about that.
Yeah, you feel so embarrassed about that. So where you come right as if you don't know? Come cuss me? I come to cuss me? Hmm?
You know, say I your son, father. I'm gonna take this to a different level.
Take it to one different level. No, take it backward for me.
Why you be so? Why we can't just try to fix things? Me in our relationship, and me and him in a no. So why am I come and always a try to in an argument with me? Me and him not there, me and you there. So tell him to avoid me.
If me tell him man say, to leave you alone, I'll leave me alone and he still a come to you. And he still a perplex my life too. What me supposed to do? What me supposed to do?
You know me feel about it?
Me know how you feel, oh God. Me see it.
Even my worker them get so scared. Huh? Even my worker them get so scared. He don't respect my business.
Same beat you up.
I sit down and me and him attack and he grab me up. Of course he beat me. Yeah, take this thing to joke, you know. I mean, I laughing thing, you know.
And you have so much mouth. Eh? The last time my son bicycle you take up, or you go busting your head with it. And you know
And you
busting
tell
your
me
head.
if you not do it.
Me tell us if you put on your bicycle, but you should listen to me, you should have busting your head. And now he come down there and beat you up and you feel so hurt about it. So you come to me, you know, if you take out the stress for me. Go
Somebody
ask
ever
again.
catch a red and did it? You ever do something and somebody just catch a red and did it? And
No.
so him catch me.
You hear what you sound? Boy man catch a red-handed. You sound like some big girl.
Oh, so I decide this me now. You see all my food when my car come for you and your friend. Give me back my money. Give me back my money. Give me back my money.
I'm money or food I want back. Which one of them?
More about my money.
Alright, seafood yeah. Left me place. No! Left me place!
So where this for? So that means say, and if your baby father a problem, are you a problem?
Left me place. You see
Everything
what's how me head no right in the evening now. Left me place.
You really box me.
Nonsense. I'm
Show
will
you
box
a
you
woman.
again.
Everything good. I show you a woman and me not do woman. Everything good.
And me will box you again. Left me place. We done. We left.
So this is gone to now.
We done. We left. Move. Cause for me go tell me about home if you give back your food and the money. Me no want no man like you. Left me
It's
house.
okay.
Go on.
No man
Move.
now go want you, no. No man now go want you. Just stay with the job.
I lie tell but no man not go want me. Lie tell. Outada.
Sorry, so me pick up your little crowd.
You're 6 stomach. Me sorry pick up your shorty and tally. Nonsense. Rubbish. Let me call Marika. Girl, you wouldn't even to know what just take place, girl. The man come and say want make him money, want make him food when give it. Jeez, hey, girl, one piece of crosses that follow me. I want a man tell me something of crosses. Me feel it to my heart, soul, ribs, everything. You know what? Just the right. And then later I call her back. She's working on me. It's told me man ain't gone.
Babes, can I go sleep in her room? Come on. Can I go sleep in her room?
No, I'm going in that room.
Boy, you sleep with yourself. You don't see your neck all hurt you or something. I'm telling you, you sleep anytime of day.
Tired.
What tired?
I wonder if I think it's going today.
Tell me all about your day, because I have one crazy day. No? Believe me.
You know, so I go over Pinky after me done talk today. I'm tell her if you follow me, go do me here. You know, so me tap at the supermarket, come to the driver van.
Yeah.
You know, say, our baby father, I'm not even remember her name. I remember her name, you know. A baby father come today, I create one scene. I don't know, say man pull off Pinky wig and find it gone with him.
I'll lie you tell. So make him do that.
He say one back in week because Pinky must have tell him say man. Something suppose some man sleep up on yard or whatsoever.
Oh man, Bongo don't fit do that in a public. Better interview when nobody now look if you want it back, if that be the case, but that Pinky all could have shame in himself. God no. I know I see Bongo today.
Where's the bongo?
I just did have a bad feeling and I walk past, he died in there so. I see Bongo, I have man in a headlock, like in there WWE. Me have to run and broke up a fight, me wonder what happened. Just before I know what say, I the man where take away Bongo woman. Bongo a beat up. Cause Bongo they a win, you know. You know, Bongo take them style from her, but Bongo they a win. Believe on a laughing matter. Believe me. Me have to do a run two man them sitting and I broke up a fight. Thank God me all day, because Bongo, miss one night time, look like Bongo, I'll take up one chair and lick him in the face.
Jesus.
And he look how you look like he can fight neither.
God, God.
I'm the reason with him, because after me run with Bongo and tell him to go on and yard and say, you know when go after that, but me and try to a youth, me I get to find out say he name Puppy Dan, and him on the place and him sitting there. So he look like Bongo, they can look a rampage. You know he won't go next now. You know he can't come over here with him foolish.
Come over here.
That me I tell him he can't come over here with him foolish, because I want him. Bongo depends on different type of mess babes. I don't know when I pray, but all I know is Pinky better be careful.
Yeah, because Bongo going hard. I can't believe a man pull off a girl week. And then pull off a need too, you know?
People say,
What?
I know, boy, she must shame in herself.
I say, you know what, say Pinky drive off from the supermarket.
No, you have to drive off.
Bongo get from bad to worse now. Bongo needs to go down.
Babe, you can't tell her it could have worse, you know. Bongo could have taken the car and the week and make you know have to walk. And boss have him car too. So, me not say we Bongo do right, you know, don't get me wrong. But I say you have to look on the bright side of things.
Look on which bright side. There's no bright side to this.
There's you
Enough to take nothing at all. Because first and foremost, she have a child feeling.
Yes, I know that. I agree with you, babes. I 100% agree with you. But all I say is, look on the bright side. It could have been worse.
There's no bright side to the story.
There has to be a bright side. Just like how they have to go on bad side, they have to go on bright side.
The bright side is Bongo gone with Pinky Week. That is the bright side.
That is no bright side.
And in order. Because I can't believe so you can't buy one woman to take it back.
No, I'm telling you, I don't really like you want, you know. But you see right now, Bongo in one place when I'm still. Because from me I get to find out, man asleep in a underpants, in a house, asleep in a bed.
In a underpants?
No, I'm a mistake. But
come on, say I feel like that,
yes,
come on, think Puppy Dan go to that.
I don't know if he do it, but I didn't listen to Bongo pray, because if he must sleep in a bed, when him bill, when him buy a house, when him bill, I drive in a car. I'm here say, he man must be driving a car to me. I don't know how true it is. I don't know nothing. And I know it's Bongo very upset right now. And that's why I'm all short.
So why am I upset for? Bongo na have woman, other woman out there. That is nothing upset over.
Sweetheart, sometimes I know what you have, you know, and what you lose, my dear. Because if I have $1 million and I lose $2 million, I don't feel away.
Listen, I just wake me out of my sleep. You can't tell me about Bongo this and Bongo that.
You know, say you start to can't tell. Babes, come here in my house. Because you look like you're still in your sleep. I'm going to say that's why you're big, son. Come on.
No, I'm going to go on.
You know, I left you out here, so.
No, I'm going to lie down in my city and sleep. Go on. Thank you, Jesus, I did me build this here. No man can go. Later.
Alright. Bongo good have built him set too.
Baby? Babe?
Yes, sweetheart.
Where did you say a while ago?
I'm not here.
Where you say a while ago when you go in our room?
No, I say I want to set tea like this too.
Oh, down in your yard?
Yeah.
Good.
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind when I open my eyes and you I see I close my eyes and wish you'd come running back. It's in my
Oh, so then I know name.
Hello, me come for things them.
Yeah. I know are you.
Are you on there? Ask you a question.
I me one day here.
So I don't want to answer my question, I ask you a question. You make it sound like someone I talk to.
Bongo, you see right now me down there in a good mood, you know.
Let me see in your good
Me
mood.
down there in a good mood. My man gone. You gone now. So, right now,
What you mean your man gone? So you gone for true? Eh?
let me go. Let me go, man.
So what you want? You have a comfort here, or you're thumping on my belly? You're thumping on my belly? What if you do that? What you want? What you want? Alright, you want to work things back out?
Work back what out. When me week there.
When me say we... Hold on, fight, you come to fight me. We don't come to fight you, know. He's the man, who is
When
this?
me week there. When me week
Me
there.
say me fling you water for you, stop the man. When you say where you with them, we dash with a with the long time, we want all change. Okay? If we come off your head so easy. Relax man, calm down. What me I say to you is
Just
that.
can't take the life and no more in the youth. And I'm just stressed out.
So we are, so we are get back together then? Can we work it out, no man?
What you say?
Make you work
Get
out
back
thing.
together. You're sick.
What me say me sick?
I know say I know me have a problem, I have a problem. You're sick.
So how your man left you?
So
In a space of 1 month.
you
And you say me
you can create excitement for me, right? And then you go for a man workplace.
Go do what? I man attack me. You need to know. You see, you don't trust me.
No,
You believe
dirty bongo. Let me tell you something.
You believe in what I'm not true.
The man not attack you.
The man attack me.
And you always attack people first.
Me, you sure about that?
That's a lie.
You judge, you all that judgment in the wrong book. Yo, alright, here I go. You say, for today, I eat that. Only thing I do, I take care of my youth. Because I realize, say, you know, they are with you no more.
Oof,
You
thank
don't have your
God.
grandmother.
Thank
So
you,
I'm going to
God.
your grandmother for you and
Yeah.
leave you.
Go on here, yard. Come out. Go on out now.
The things that I say, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't touch me, don't be physical. The things that I say, pack up, you pack them up.
When you jog off me here,
The
you never know
things
what's
them-
your
The things that I have to
Go
pack
for
up,
your
pack them
things
up.
them. Go on for them. Then they run the so. Go on for them. Hurry up. Hurry up now.
I go for them, I'll leave you alone.
Dirty crosses, man. Come back in a go ramp with me, you see. Bust up your face. Your bad mind, not woman. Your bad mind. Get lost, come out, hurry up.
Yes, you see your turn, neighborhood donkey. You see that?
A neighborhood donkey,
Hey,
me tell you.
neighborhood donkey.
Come out of my house.
Yo, don't touch me.
Come out of my house. Go on.
Imagine me build me place. You have to come out of my house.
Come out of my house.
Me build me place. You have to come out of my house. As soon get a higher home. Eh?
Come out of my house. Why? Crosses. Walk on my phone.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Somebody just gets a red and so you catch me. You catch me when me never expect it.
Make your man say not to me, shut your mouth box and run out of your
But you know all that, but you know, can't bump up with that teacher to understand what you're doing.
I mean, but when you go wrong, I'm very sorry. Alright, continue.
My job, you understand? So you and her live and me take over. I'm not really business in it. You understand?
So, tell me something now. More no far relationship because I try to get her back and come here try to try. But
I don't think that's going to be a good thing.
you start thinking about it now.
Well, yeah, I do that couple times well.
You see what I'm thinking about me here?
Yeah,
Who is the man here?
the Babyfather.
Yes, I tell me now, so yeah. Like, you really like how you approach me. You approach me like you're sure.
Now, so often I remember that you father my business place.
You feel kind of uncomfortable. That's not you really want, you know,
Yo! Yeah, call him the father. Yo, wait there. Wait there. Alright. Action. Yo, if he said done something, let me something. Let the place. Eh? Hey, see you. Yeah, man, style them, but you stick up yeah. Yeah, business place. Yo, me lucky. Are you lucky? Are you lucky?
You win to them, man. You win to the air. So the business place.
Can't pass this. You can't do this. Alright. So keep the pan sheet. That's my side. Take it as a record.
Yeah, man.
Record. Alright, ready? Ready? And action! So, what we are going? Eh?
Bongo, where you come as
When you see me come and stuff, I'm seeing my van and I enjoy the van like say all is well. Like what?
Who my van?
Who want you drive come here?
Who my van?
Who want you, are the big belly boy are you drive come here? Eh?
Yes, I wa.
You laugh, you think I'm fun and game this? Eh? You feel so fun and game you talk to you talk back to me now?
Hey.
Look who now with your face. We are talking about, eh? You forget that with me?
Bongo, move.
Let me say Bongo move. Yo, tell me what you are doing. Tell me what I need to get your answers. So I can't push you and treat me like that. Who want you drive come here?
That no concern you. What your problem?
You say that no concern me.
Bongo, what your problem?
So, you mean to tell me everything is still? I have some stuff. Me had not come a while ago and when I said yes, supermarket, I have some stuff to pick up. Can I pick up the things there? I have some pick up right now.
Pack them up.
Pack up. Me no want you touch. No, me no want you touch me. Me no want you touch me. Yo, me no want you touch me things there.
Mind where you not in. Mind how you come close to me.
Me say like come close. Yo, we are do. Mr. Who you come here, sir? When me can get me things there? Yo, where you look for? Where you look for? Give me some move.
Move.
Who are you come here, so me ask you?
Move. Bongo, how are you here?
Are you she?
Bongo.
Me tell you come here, me look for myself now. Me a friend. Me know you. Eh? Last say you come, me a talk to you, man, come on, things like that. Yo, I'm in a relationship with me and she.
No one talk to you. I don't like
So me
you.
tell you that, so.
I don't like you, Bongo. If you come here, things and come to them. I don't like you. Me don't want good relationship with my man now, you know. Who's you? Come right up and talk to me.
The same big belly one. Like I said. So you said me, alright. When me can see. Yo. Yes, time, brother. Yeah. We are there, so we are
Baby
there.
girl, grandmother.
Wait. From how long now?
1 week now.
1 week now? That means you enjoy yourself, man. Eh? You live life. You see people like you, you're not boy.
Yo!
I've been so sad for so long. By now I should be moving on. So distracted for so long. What the hell is going on? Why am I afraid to say I'm sorry? Is it because you won't accept? I've got this fear to fall asleep. Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind when I open my eyes and you are know this may sound a bit crazy, but I'm still doing things we did, like drinking beers with popcorn, watching movies with the lights on. Now I'm not afraid to say I need you, I just hope you will accept. I think God created you for me, 'cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind when I open my eyes to you, I see I close my eyes and wish you'd come running back. It's in my mind when I open my eyes to you, I see, yeah, I see you. 'Cause when I close my eyes, I wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my mind when I open my eyes to you, I see I close my eyes and wish you'd come running back to me. It's in my